Hey guys, welcome back to the third and final part of the soundboard series. So in this final part we're going to be making sure the sound plays when you click a button. So I'm just going to run it for you guys now to show you guys what I have. And so far we've just created the I'll just wait for the collection view, and we've also imported the assets. So you can see both these buttons are enabled. So now they just print the tag, but that's going to come in handy when we want to access the sounds. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to make it so that when you click the play button, it's actually going to play the sound. And to do that, all we have to do is, we already have this tag, and if I go back here you can see that we can just access them using this tag, as the tag is basically just the index where they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and first I'm going to create a path to sound, and then we just do bundle. We also need to import AV foundation so that we can actually access the audio. Now we can create the path to sound, which is just bundle.main.path for resource, and then this bit is just the sound name, and then we also have to use a sound extension. So to access this, all we really have to do is do soundboardObjects self.tag.soundName, and then for type we can just do .sound extension like that. Okay, and now we can create the URL with this path. So let URL is equal to URL file with URL with path to sound. And now we can do it in the do catch loop so it doesn't crash the app. And in the catch, I'm just going to print the error, print error, and then do. What we do is, we also have to create the audio player. I nearly forgot about that, so just create that up here. Let audio player is just AV audio player, and I'll make this an optional. So what I need to do like that. Okay, and now inside of this do catch loop we can just do audio player dot is equal to try AV audio player contents of URL. So we're just setting it, and we should probably make this a var so that I can actually modify it. And now we can just play it. So audio player dot play. Okay, so I'm gonna run this now, and you guys probably won't hear it, but I think I should be able to hear it when I'm clicking it. So I'm gonna click play sound, and I'm not hearing anything. What about this one? Let's see. Or maybe let me just make sure the sounds still work properly. I'm gonna click that. Let's try and make it so that I don't actually use this, and I'm just going to use what it's actually called. So I can just do TNT sound, and then of type, this is just MP3, like so. Maybe we have to define this over here. That's the only thing I could think of. So I'm just gonna run this again. Hopefully it works. So clicking for this. Okay, so that seems to work. Okay, so I can hear that then. So maybe there's a problem with the thing, but let's see. Let sound name is equal to soundboardObjects self.tag.soundName. Now I'll do the same thing but for the sound extension. Sound extension, and let's just print both of these. file name, sound extension, like that. Let's just print both so we can see if this is going to work. So print that, TNT sound.mp3, okay, and guitar sound, okay, that seems to be working well fine. So now I'm just going to replace those with these and place that in there. Make sure this is a string, yep, and okay, let's try and run this again, and hopefully it works this time. Okay, and now I can hear it. So I'm guessing the issue was that the audio player was created here instead of being created here and then just redefined here. But yeah, now if I click this, I can hear the sounds being played, and I'm not sure you guys can, but if you guys make this yourself, then you'll be able to hear it. And yeah, this is both sides, and the idea is you can just add in more photos and more sounds, and then you can just add them into your array like this, and then they'll appear here and you can just add them in. So as an example, let's just say I duplicated this a few times so that I got a lot of these, and now we'll be able to just scroll around here, and if I click this, I'll get the TNT sound. And yeah, so you can just add in anything you want and you'll get a bunch of different sounds. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.